What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2018 Mercedes GLE 350. We bought this vehicle from a salvage auction with the left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date how much we bought the car and all the way to this point. So in part 2, I had the car on the frame machine. I was working on the quarter panel. I had to cut the old one out and install a new one. So in part 3, in this video, we're going to secure the quarter panel, start welding. I gotta do a spot weld and regular weld and start doing the body filler. Pretty much get this car ready for paint, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole painting process, how to make this paint job 100% perfect. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. That's it, just got the Mercedes off the frame machine. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the door and I wanna check, make sure all the gaps are perfect. If everything lines up, we'll start welding the quarter. So let's do that. That is it, my friends. Just installed the door. Gaps are looking good. So now we could officially secure the quarter panel. Let's take a look. Check it out. Everything lining up pretty good. Perfect. Same over here. Everything in working condition. I put a couple of screws just to secure it so it doesn't move around. So right now, I'm gonna remove this quarter or dog leg. And I'm gonna put glue right here and then I'll secure it again and we'll start welding it. But yeah, something like this. Slowly coming together. So just installed the quarter back. I put some glue and then I used some screws so this way it's not moving, and then I put the latch back on. So everything is good. We could start welding the quarter panel. Gaps are perfect. Boom, love it. We could start welding the quarter panel. Let's go. friends, just finished welding, so now we could start grinding all the welds and start applying Bondo. And then I gotta still do spot weld. I'll do that next. After I'm done grinding, I'll do the spot weld. And we're ready for body filler. Let's go. That is it, my friends. I'm all finished with welding. Right now I'm going to do spot weld. That's the last. And we're ready for Bondo. But here's the machine I'll be using, Pro Spot Weld. And it welds factory spot weld. So this machine is the best. So we're going to knock this out. And we're ready for Bondo. Let's go. Is it. We're all finished with spot welding and welding, so now we're ready for Bondo. So check it out, everything looking good. My spot welds, bam. We're getting somewhere slowly but surely. So we'll start doing the body filler next. Just applied my base, so everything looking good. So we're gonna apply number 2 now. Boom, check it out. Feels really smooth already. So I got my base going. Next I'm gonna apply one more layer and then glaze. So let's do that and we'll go from there. We're done with the body filler, so next we're gonna put some glaze and ready for primer. Let's take a look. Check it out, everything feels so smooth, like nothing ever happened. So we'll put some glaze over here and some glaze over here and ready for primer. That is it, my friends. We're officially finished with body filler and ready for primer. Let's take a look. Check this out. Wow, so smooth. What happened? Nothing happened. Super smooth. So yeah, we'll put primer and then caulking at the bottom, caulking along here, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy, easy work. That is it, my friends. Mercedes is primered and good to go, like nothing ever happened. Check it out. What happened? Boom, look at this. Perfect. You can't even tell this was repaired. Wow, looks perfect. Love it. That's it. We're ready for paint. That's it, my friends. We got the Mercedes in the spray booth, prepped, masked, and ready to go. Let's take a closer look. Check it out. Everything looking good. Wow, what happened? Nothing happened. So we're gonna paint the quarter, door, and blend the fender. And then we got the door separate. We're gonna paint this. That's it. Ready to go, and we'll start putting it back together. That is it, my friends. Mercedes is painted and ready to go. Let's take a look. Check out the rear door. Good to go. Here's the rest of the car. So we had to blend the fender, paint the door, and paint the quarter panel. Looking good, like nothing ever happened. See? Look at this, guys. What happened? Nothing happened. If you guys wouldn't see this quarter been cut, it looks like factory. So let's pull the car out and we'll start putting the car back together. That is it, my friends. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 4. In part 4, we're gonna start putting the car back together and take it for a first test drive. So super excited. And also we're gonna start doing the GLE 63 conversion. I already got new bumpers, new wheels, so super excited. The car's gonna look so nice. So stay tuned. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week. New week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys in part 4. До свидания!